Have you ever wondered what it feels like to hold a piece of mobile history that's evolved to meet the modern era? The Nokia Flagship Phone might just be the answer. This device isn't just a phone. It's a statement, a blend of Nokia's historic reliability with today's cutting-edge technology. Introduction. Nokia, once the titan of the mobile world, has made a striking comeback with its latest flagship phone. This device is a perfect amalgamation of Nokia's renowned durability and the latest technological advancements. It's designed for those who cherish the Nokia legacy, while craving the innovations of the modern smartphone era. Design and build quality. The Nokia Flagship Phone boasts a sleek design that's both elegant and robust. The phone's build is a nod to Nokia's reputation for creating durable devices. It features a high-quality metal frame and a Gorilla Glass front, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it a pleasure to use. Display and visual experience. The phone's display is a true marvel. It features a high-resolution screen that brings colors to life, offering an immersive visual experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or playing games, the vivid display and crisp resolution ensure that every detail is captured with stunning clarity, performance, and speed. Under the hood, the Nokia Flagship Phone is a powerhouse, equipped with a top-of-the-line processor and ample RAM. It handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The phone's optimized software ensures a smooth, lag-free experience, making it ideal for both work and play. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will be delighted with the phone's camera setup. It features advanced sensors and optics, allowing you to capture professional quality photos and videos. The camera's low-light performance is particularly impressive, ensuring your memories are beautifully preserved, no matter the lighting conditions. Battery life and connectivity. The device doesn't disappoint when it comes to battery life. It's equipped with a long-lasting battery, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Additionally, the phone supports fast charging, so you can quickly power up and get back to what matters. With its range of connectivity options, staying in touch is easier than ever. Conclusion. The Nokia Flagship Phone is a testament to Nokia's ability to adapt and evolve. It offers a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity, making it an excellent choice for both longtime Nokia fans and new users. With its robust build, impressive performance, and exceptional camera, it stands as a strong contender in the smartphone market. This phone is more than just a device. It's a piece of mobile history reimagined for today's world.